Welcome. In this video, I'll show parents and teens how to set up the AI tools for the AI Skills Challenge. It's really quick, beginner friendly, and designed to keep learning safe, fun, and stress-free. So we will begin with crayon.com. All you have to do is copy the link on the Safe AI Tools and Links document. Copy the link and paste it on your browser and click on enter. And once you get on the home page, all you have to do is you can actually just start prompting. This is where you paste your prompt and you just click on draw now and it does the magic. And that wraps up all we have for crayon.com. So next, we're going to set up ChatGPT. All we have to do is click on our browser and paste the link from our tools and links document and click enter. Once we enter the home page of ChatGPT, we actually can start prompting. We can just paste our prompts here, or we can go ahead and set up our account for free by just clicking the set up for free on the right hand side. If we have our Google account or Apple or Microsoft, we can just continue and sign up, or we can use our email address and it just directs you on how to set up your profile. And that wraps up for ChatGPT. Now we're going to be covering Google Sheets and Google Docs. So for Google Sheets and Google Docs, all we need to do is click on our browser, paste the link from our tools and links document, click on enter. Once we click enter, we need to click the right hand here that says Google Apps. And then to access Google Sheets, all we need to do is come here and click Google Sheets. And we can start a blank spreadsheet and start our challenge. So I will do the same for our Google Docs. So to access Google Docs, we do the same thing. We come to our Google Apps, this hand bugger button on the right, and we scroll down to Docs, and we can click on blank document, and we can start our challenge. So that wraps up how to set up Google Sheets and Google Docs. So next, I will be walking you through Suno AI. So for Suno AI, you copy the link, paste it on your browser, and click on enter. You can actually start prompting from here by just clicking create, by pasting your prompt here and clicking create. Or I will definitely advise that you sign up for an account because the sign up gives you more credits to be able to create more creations. So you can click on sign up. You can continue with your phone number, or you can, if you have any of these accounts, you can use your Google account and you set up your account and you sign in and you'll be directed to the Suno dashboard. So when you sign up for Suno, you will have access to the home page. So this is what the home page looks like. So you have all these different navigation buttons that you can use. So if you just want to create a new project, all you need to do is you can click this create here, or you can click okay, create here. And then this is where you can paste your lyrics, and this is where you can also paste your style. Once you paste, you can then click on the create button will be highlighted for you to be able to click on create, and you will be able to create your music. Now we're going to be covering Bing AI. So the same thing, you click on your browser, paste the link, and you automatically have access to the chat box. And this is where you can paste your prompt and do your AI challenges. Now we will cover Digen AI, and just as we have been doing for all our other AI tools, we just copy the link, paste it in the browser, and click on enter. So for Digen AI, come to this right hand side and sign up for free. And then we will be directed. We can use our email address. We'll be sent a verification code to our email. And then once we set that up, we will have access to the homepage for Digen AI. On the homepage, I think we can also just click on create, and then we have access to the homepage. So we don't necessarily have to set up a free account. We can actually just paste our prompt in here. And once our prompt is pasted, we will click on generate video, and our creation will be created on the right side, video here. That wraps up for Digen AI. Now we will cover 11 Labs. So we paste our link for 11 Labs and click on enter. So for 11 Labs, this is text to speech. This is where we can copy our prompt and paste in here. Once we paste our prompt in here, then we click on play. We can choose any of the voices. We can choose any of the voices here.
In the
So
ancient land of Eldoria, where skies shimmered and forests whispered secrets to the wind.
I can choose to change from English to the African, and then I click on this and it plays.
In die antieke land van Eldoria, waar die lucht glinster in wouden geheime.
And I can click here to download my audio. So for the exercises, you just type in your prompt here, and you don't forget to select whatever language you want, and then you click on play and you can download your audio. You can also sign up here. You click on the sign up button and it directs you. You put in your email address and your password, and you'll be led on how to create your profile. And now we're going to cover Canva. So for Canva, we do the same. We paste the link here, and then we'll be directed to sign up for a free account. So we can click here and say start designing now, or we can also click on the right side that says sign up. So I click on start designing for free, and then I can set up my Canva account using either my Google account or Facebook, or I can continue with my email address. Once I click in my email address, I'll be directed on how to complete the registration of my account. After I have completed the registration for Canva, I'll be led to the home page. This is what the home page looks like. On the left-hand side, we have all the different navigation tools that we can use. This is where we can create a new design, and we can look for different design templates. We can create a video, we can create an Instagram post, we can create a presentation, we can create a card or flyer. So there are different things we can create. This is where we can so if we go to create, so let me say we create a video. Once we click on create video, these are all the different tools we can use to create different things on Canva. We have elements. In elements, we can choose audio, we can choose videos. These are different videos. We have photos, we have graphics that we can choose from. We also have stickers, we have mock-up that we can use to create products. So we have different things we can, play around with all the different um, elements that are available. We also have text. This is where we can put in text in our design, and we can change the type of text that we want by just selecting anything here. And this is exactly where we will upload our files. We can click here. Let's say we created an image in ChatGPT. This is where we can upload our image, or we've created a music or music in Suno. This is where we can also upload our music into Canva. And that wraps up everything for Canva. So now finally we're going to cover image effects. So we click on our browser, paste our link and click on enter. We will need a Google account to set up image effects. So if you have your Gmail account, just sign in and then you'll be led to the home page. Once you sign in with your Google account, this is what the home page looks like. This is where you paste your prompt. And once you paste your prompt, you can click on enter and it generates. Then you click create and it creates your images. That wraps up the demo for setting up all your AI tools. And now you're fully equipped to do all the AI challenges.